Welcome to my show. All right, we just got to our campsite and we're gonna get ready to go paddle boarding. Oops. Did you hear that? Bestie, where are you? Oh my god, she disappeared. Maybe she's in the porta potty. There she is.
No.
Well, why don't we get the grapefruit?
Yeah, let's do it.
Looks like something we want to do.
Don't know if you saw that sign. Heidi's driving like a bat out of hell.
Lake. Very excited.
It's a hot one. What's the temperature say?
86.
86. Okay, that's nothing for y'all down south. Like, it was 125 yesterday.
Yeah.
No big deal. I don't have eyebrows anymore, but it's okay.
I passed out a couple times.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Tires are melted on my car. You know, typical.
Usual.
Oh my goodness. So it's a Thursday. It's in the middle of the day. Everyone's like us and they just don't work. Or they take the day off like us. And so there might not be any parking because everybody's parked in the trees. Well, here we are. These waves are a little wavy. Hello, best friend. This is awful, huh? Oh, so I can't believe we came here. I just like looked and noticed that I don't have my paddle, and luckily it's so windy that it's like just gone here, and like the wind just blew me onto this log. And Heidi to the rescue. Thank you. Okay, hold on. Let me get closer so I can help you help me. All right, ready?
I want to swim, but not here.
I know, but get back on your board if you can. See these things? we almost got 8%.
We're lightweight.
That's a good thing, I'd say. I think ordinarily I would have gotten an 8%, and then I wouldn't have just lost my paddle. I would have lost my whole board. To these posts over here real quick so we can swim. I'm docked.
Okay, I'm going right through the spider.
And look at our little neighbors here in their beautiful butt rope. Alright. I think I'm gonna jump in. It's pretty cold, but I think I might do it anyway. I noticed that my selfie stick was gone. I'm a hot mess. Alright. I'm going diving. Oh, it's right there. Ah! Almost fell off. Okay. I don't have any goggles and I can't see it, so.
Right below you.
Oh, there it is. My butt is too buoyant. I tried to go under and my butt was like, no. And it came bobbing up. You didn't catch my butt bobbing up to the surface? I felt it. Okay, I'm gonna try again. But yeah, I'm gonna use 2 hands, so.
Did you get it? Oh, yeah.
1 hand. It's almost 6 o'clock. So sadly, we have to head back, but it's kind of late. It's almost 6. We're headed back to make dinner. See how fast we get back since the wind's blowing us pretty much in the direction we need to go. As you can imagine, we didn't want to leave, so we paddled to the other side of the lake, and there's this little cove that we found with another, like, looks like maybe a beach. I don't know, there's people over there. This lake is just so gorgeous, like you never want to leave. Look at this. It's like 7 almost, probably. Let's see what time it is. Yeah, it's exactly 7. It's 8:19. I'm finally out of my wet clothes, and we haven't eaten. We're gonna eat some pasta salad that I made before I left. So, unfortunately, we can't have a fire because there's a fire ban. These chairs are actually really comfortable. I brought my own, but we don't really need them. It's a cute little Hipcamp. Comes with a little picnic table and whatnot. Nobody else is here. It's good. Good stuff. We don't have to make food because I made this pasta salad the other night. It's so good. Open.
First the paddle, oh no, not the stick too. What the hell am I doing with my life?
I don't know, this is pretty great if you ask me.